Hello, welcome everyone. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. Here I am in the village of Water's Edge, and I am at the Water's Edge Recreation and Postal Facility. This is the site of some of the newest homes and newest lots that are for sale or will be for sale soon by the Villages, Florida. I did review a video on the Villages website on YouTube, and they indicated that they have lots for sale that you can buy to build your home on. And I believe those lots are located right over there. You do see there's a new neighborhood of homes being built there as well. And I believe the lots they were selling were right over there. You can see the Water's Edge Postal and Rec Center has corn toss facilities here. And here is their pool. It's a kidney-shaped swimming pool here at Water's Edge. Beautiful brick paver. This has not yet been opened. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I will take a walking tour over there and show you some of the lots for sale and some of the homes they are building. This is a very large retention pond too, with a brick wall all the way around the edge of it. Very nice. See a gentleman over there, he's looking at homes as well. Let's take a walk over there and see what we can see. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome, friends. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Here I am standing on the corner of Holcomb Loop and Holcomb Loop. How strange is that? This is the location of some of the newest lots that you can purchase to build your home on. The Villages YouTube channel has recently released a video about these new home lots that are available for sale, and these are located just across Central Parkway from the village of Eastport. As I lift my camera, you can see the village of Eastport right over there. And these home lots are available for sale. And according to the video published on the Villages YouTube channel, you can choose a designer or premier style home to be built here. And the advantage of building here or living here is the proximity to Eastport and all that it has to offer. I wanted to make this video to show you what it looks like before these homes are built. They do have separated cement walls. This is what they look like before they're painted. So the question I have is, if they're putting designer homes and premier homes here, why do they have the walls? I would expect these walls to be in a courtyard villa neighborhood or a veranda home villa neighborhood. Are they changing their business model? Are they changing their design of their neighborhoods? Please leave comments below if you know more information about this new marketing or design and building strategy, I would appreciate it. They are building new homes over there as well. Maybe I can take a sneak peek at some of those homes over there. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. And now I'm standing on the corner of Wells Lane and Holcomb Loop, here in the village of Water's Edge, one of the newest villages. They are offering lots and homes for sale in. Just for your information, the Water's Edge Postal and Recreation Center is right on the other side of those homes over there. And that's where I was prior in this video. And maybe I can take a walk through this neighborhood of new homes here in Water's Edge and give you a quick sneak peek of what they have to offer. Stay tuned, friends. Here I am standing on the corner of Holcomb Loop and Compton Avenue. And this is the site of a new village. It looks to me like it's a new Courtyard Villa neighborhood. That is being built here in the village of Water's Edge. And you can see they have all these homes. They are tilt wall construction homes. And soon they will be available for sale. If you're interested in any of these homes, you will need to work with a village's real estate agent. And you need to contact the village's sales office. Look at the design of these new fixtures. Much different than the Courtyard Villas up at Villa Marbella, where I did many videos before in the northern part of the villages. Very beautiful. They are putting finishing touches on. This address is 7166 Compton Avenue. Here in the village of Water's Edge, they are starting to put landscaping in. It's going to be a few short weeks away before these homes are going to be available for sale. These look like Courtyard Villas to me. Tilt wall construction, Courtyard Villa. Maybe I can take a sneak peek at the inside of one of these. This one's located at 7160 Compton Avenue. And maybe I can see what's inside. I don't expect to see a lot, but maybe there is something in there. Oh, this is a bedroom. It has carpeted floors. The hallway looks like vinyl or vinyl plank floors. So these homes are very close to being ready. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. These homes are very nice. There is a home there with a 2-car garage and a golf cart garage. I noticed these homes have pastel-y type colors. You have the blues and the greens. That's something that I don't remember seeing them building homes several years ago. I also noticed that the light fixtures on the garages are different from home to home, which is different than the Villa Marbella homes in the northern part of the villages. Look at all the construction going on that street. Wow. They are working hard on those homes. And on this side, these homes look almost complete. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. You do see a tankless hot water heater on the side of that home right there. Let me know in the comments below if you are interested in living in the village of Water's Edge. Here they have a roll of carpeting delivered in the garage, waiting to be installed right there. They do have those heavy wind and hurricane type doors, storm garage doors there as well. One thing I noticed on these homes when they're in the building phase, I noticed that they insulated the roof of the garages. That's something that you don't see every builder do. Look at all the building going on here. Maybe I can walk to the end of the street and take a peek over that wall and show you where Eastport is. This village is a stone's throw away from Eastport. And that is the attractiveness of living in Water's Edge. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I'll telescope my camera up so you can see what it looks like over the wall. And I won't be able to see until I publish the video what it looks like. I'll give you a panoramic view of this area. Thank you for liking. That is Eastport right over that way, in that direction. That is Eastport, friends. That appears to be a Winslow model home right there. Tilt wall construction, for those new to the channel, welcome. We are in the Villages, Florida. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Here we have another home located here on Compton Avenue in the village of Water's Edge. This has a 2-car garage. And one thing I noticed, friends, if you are interested in buying a new home here in the Villages, you always want to check your dimensions of your rooms as well as the dimensions of your garage. I think from time to time they do change the dimensions of the garage. Well, here, this home has no flooring in it yet. This is a bedroom, no flooring in it. Because it seems like that the garage dimensions vary a little bit from home to home. And I'm not sure why that is. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. This is what appears to me to be a Courtyard Villa neighborhood. This is located adjacent to the new home lots that I showed you previously in this video. And those new home lots are offered if you want to build a designer home or a premier home. That's according to the Villages YouTube channel. They released a video. I'll provide a link to that video in the description of this video as well. But you can see there's a lot of construction going on in this neighborhood. I wanted to introduce you to the village of Water's Edge. Give you an idea of where it is, what they're doing, what's happening here. And it looks like there's a lot of construction going on. I'm surprised to see that they have this neighborhood with some homes that are nearly complete. They have landscaping in. Here's a home with a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. Raised panel doors. Courtyard Villa. Here's a bedroom. No flooring, no carpeting in it yet. Maybe you can peek through the hole in the door. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Let me know when you're going to move to the villages. What are you waiting for? I ask that on all my videos. I will walk out of this neighborhood. If you like my content, please give me a thumbs up. Like and subscribe. I do have links in all the description of my videos if you want to support the channel. I do appreciate it. And here I am, right back where I started. On the corner of Holcomb Loop and Compton Avenue. There you have it, friends. That is my update on the village of Water's Edge. Have a great weekend, everybody. Take care.